Easy Lift Equipment air-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for dispensing drums in areas where DC-powered equipment is not permitted. Drum dumpers are available with a variety of clamps that offer either 360-degree endless side rotation or 180-degree forward rotation. This model features our 360-degree endless side rotation RCR1324 clamp with 8-inch high clamping pads. The model seen here is equipped with a 60-inch lift height single-stage mast and is capable of gripping plastic, fiber, and steel drums from 13 to 24 inches in diameter and weighing up to 1,200 pounds. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your drum dumper. The 8-inch high clamping pads are designed to fit between the two center ribs of a steel drum, but is also capable of clamping plastic and fiber drums as well. For sensitive plastic or fiber drums, the clamping force can be regulated with the adjustable clamping pressure option. The compact straddle leg base frame of the drum dumper allows for a drum to be gripped or released from the corner of a pallet. The clamping pads are comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip a drum. A small drum adapter is also available, which enables the clamp to grip smaller drums down to 8 inches in diameter, seen here clamping a small fiber drum. Before operating your drum dumper, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, tag the equipment out of commission and contact a supervisor prior to beginning. This air-powered drum dumper requires a consistent air supply at 100 psi. To get started, ensure an end-user supplied male coupling has been connected to the brass ball valve with a 1/2-inch NPT female thread. The hose and coupling have a 1/2-inch inside diameter to produce the maximum air from the air and hydraulic power unit. Then, open up the air supply ball valve. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order by pushing or pulling the corresponding valves, which provide variable speed at their respective function. These functions include lift and lower, rotate left, and rotate right, as well as clamp open and clamp close. A red safety button is required to open and close the clamp. This is to help prevent the accidental release of an elevated load. You should verify that all functions are in proper working order prior to using the equipment. If not, tag the equipment out of commission and contact a supervisor prior to beginning. To get started, disengage the step-down foot floor lock. The ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the drum dumper is not in use. Open the clamp and push the equipment forward to clamp the drum from the corner of a pallet. Use the lift and lower valve so the clamp is in line with the vertical center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. It is recommended to apply slight forward motion when closing the clamping arms so that the operator-facing side of the drum makes solid contact with the clamp's back pad while the clamping arms are closing. This helps ensure a secure grip. Use the appropriate valves to clamp and raise the drum. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to its destination. Dark or ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Always engage the foot floor lock prior to walking away from the equipment. Failure to do so could result in property damage or serious personal injury. Always turn off the air supply ball valve while the unit is not in use. Turning off the air supply ball valve will prevent accelerated wear of the air motor. Once the drum is at the required location and the bungs or lid have been appropriately removed, lift the drum by pushing on the lift valve gently. This unit raises at a variable speed, which is determined by how much pressure is applied to the valve. Dispense the product by gently pushing the rotate valve accordingly. The clamp rotates at a controlled speed, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, or hopper. When dispensing, never leave the unit unattended. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. The clamping jaws are lined with slip-resistant SBR rubber for a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drum. The SBR rubber on the clamp is provided with a tacky finish, which is needed to help ensure a secure grip when handling plastic and fiber drums. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by gently pulling accordingly on the rotate valve. Replace the bungs or close the lid accordingly. A small drum adapter is also available, which enables the clamp to grip smaller drums down to 8 inches in diameter. The small drum adapter is comprised of one curved section with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curve. Installation of the RCR1324 small drum adapter requires first placing the clamp at a comfortable height and opening the clamping jaws. Then, by aligning the mounting holes of the adapter to the 4 pre-drilled holes on the clamp weldment. Once aligned, insert a stainless steel retaining pin and a circle cotter pin to secure the retaining pin into place. Repeat this same process on the other side. An adjustable clamping pressure option is also available, which permits the operator to lower the factory-set clamping pressure exerted on the drum. This is ideal for more sensitive or fragile drum types. All air-powered drum dumpers are available with optional intrinsically safe scales for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Scales are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. The RCR1324 clamp with 8-inch high clamping pads is also capable of clamping, transporting, and rotating roll materials that are 13 to 24 inches in diameter. This is ideal for companies that require operators to load and unload converting or printing equipment. 16-inch high clamping pads are also available, which are better suited for handling plastic or fiber drums as well as roll materials. For food or pharmaceutical applications, drum dumpers are available in an FDA-compliant metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. For applications requiring the drum dumper to access tanks with recessed openings, a counterbalanced base frame is also available to provide increased reach for the drum dumper. When finished, always place the drum dumper in a safe location. Lower and close the clamp. Engage the foot floor lock. Turn off the air supply ball valve, and disconnect the air line before walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.